It's never been easier to make a positive impact on the environment than it is right now. Using just your cell phone, you have the power to contribute to science and conservation right now, like today. So let's not waste any time and explore 3 ways that you can use your phone to help protect the environment. Protecting the environment can sometimes feel like an overwhelming or impossible task. It can be hard to know where to start and how you can make an impact. But citizen science projects are a great way to get your foot in the door, make a tangible impact, and contribute to a community of enthusiastic members supporting science, conservation, and local action. In this video, we'll explore 3 incredible citizen science projects that are in Canada that allow you to contribute to crucial environmental research and conservation efforts using just your smartphone. From monitoring wildlife to exploring ecosystem changes and tracking frog calls, these projects are not only easy to join, but also incredibly impactful. Let's dive in and see how you can become a citizen scientist today. First, let's define citizen science. It's all about individuals like you and me collecting data that contributes to scientific research. Citizen science makes science accessible to everyone, and it's a powerful tool for understanding and protecting our environment. Through these projects, people without formal scientific training can participate in genuine scientific endeavors, enhancing both scientific knowledge and community engagement. So let's start with a local project, the Chronolog project at Grenadier Pond in Toronto's High Park. And Grenadier Pond is a hotspot for biodiversity, providing critical habitat for various species. The Chronolog project uses photos taken by the community to create amazing time-lapse videos that show ecological change over time. Participants snap photos at designated stations and email them to the project, which are then stitched together into time-lapse sequences. With over 100,000 photo submissions so far, Chronolog is an incredible tool for environmental monitoring and engaging communities in conservation efforts.
And I also just wanted to point out that while I'm highlighting the Chronolog project here at Grenadier Pond in Toronto, there's a variety of Chronolog projects internationally, specifically in the USA, but also in other continents. So I would encourage everyone to try and find a Chronolog project near them and see if you can take a photo. And if there isn't one near you, you can apply to set one up at your local ecosystem.
Let's move on to a project that's operating at a bit of a bigger scale or a regional scale. And here we have the Credit Valley Conservation Butterfly Blitz project. This initiative uses the iNaturalist app, empowering community members to monitor butterfly populations, which are critical indicators of ecological health. By simply using their smartphones, volunteers can capture and upload observations of butterflies in the Credit River watershed. And each photo submitted contributes to a growing data set that helps guide conservation strategies and track the effectiveness of ongoing initiatives. Butterfly Blitz showcases the power of citizen science in the digital age, fostering a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life that surrounds us. And finally, moving to an even higher level, on a national scale, we have the Frog Watch program. Part of the Nature Watch series, this initiative invites individuals across Canada to listen for the distinct calls of frogs and toads during the spring and summer breeding seasons. By participating in this acoustic survey, citizens contribute to a nationwide effort to track and understand the health of our wetland ecosystems. So frogs and toads are excellent indicators of environmental well-being, and shifts in their populations can serve as early warning signs of broader ecological issues. Frogwatch demonstrates how the collective efforts of citizens can contribute to significant ecological insights and conservation efforts. So there you have it, 3 incredible citizen science projects that allow you to make a significant impact on conservation and environmental science right from your cell phone. Whether you're passionate about monitoring habitats through Chronolog, contributing to butterfly conservation during a Butterfly Blitz, or listening for frog calls with FrogWatch, there are countless opportunities to get involved. These projects not only provide critical information for conservation efforts, but also allow you to connect with nature and your local area and learn more about the incredible biodiversity that's around you. So I encourage all of you to take a moment to explore the citizen science initiatives near you, find one that resonates with your interests, and start making a difference today. Your participation, no matter how small, can have a profound impact on the future of our environment. And if you want to learn more about any of the projects that I mentioned today, you can check more information in the description below. I'll see you on the next one.